Hey guys, I'm Ranger Greg. I stand for the study of nature and humankind, the protection of all children of all races, and the integrity of all beings in this whole wide universe. And together we're going to explore the mysteries of wild nature. Today's focus is going to be on plants. Plants!
Plants.
Plants! So this series of video will explore a different topic each week, introducing experiments that you can do at home. So wherever you're at, wherever you're from, no sky is too high, so let's fly together. For the first week, we'll be exploring the mysteries and some tricks and tips about gardening and growing some plants. So look out for video 2 to continue the Ranger adventure. See you all.